In this free demo, you've been looking at how you can see an AI-styled app. So in other words, an app that you can use for business planning and analytics, where you can have a chat to the AI and you end up with a conversational user interface like this one, where you've asked a question like show me risks. It's given you some form of UI, and then you can even interact with it and it changes what you see above. What we're going to look at in this video is we're going to look at the data. So I'm going to go into the desktop layout and we're going to look at the data and how you need to structure it so that both the AI can understand it and so that you can troubleshoot and double check that the AI is not hallucinating. So you need a deterministic dashboard like this one to be able to do that. So in this dashboard, if I click on information, we can see that, and you may be surprised to see just how simple this is, but we can see the information that's required to get this business planning analytics dashboard and app working. It's as simple as what you see on the screen. I'm just going to quickly read through them. So we've got items that we're selling, a location or a region that we're selling them in, the customer, or in this case, it's the customer group or industry that's buying them. We've got the month. So this one is in months, but you can have it in days or weeks or anything you like, but this one's broken into months. And importantly, the measures that we're capturing are the quantity of items that was ordered and then what that is in revenue. So that quantity times the sell price. Then you've got what it is in COGS, cost of goods sold. So quantity times the standard cost. And then we look at what was invoiced. So the quantity invoiced, the quantity that was invoiced, the revenue of the invoice, and the cost of goods sold. You can see on this first row here that although 2 were ordered, none were invoiced. Whereas further, if we come down further here, we see that 2 were ordered, 2 were invoiced. And therefore, you've got 100% customer service. And we're also seeing what the stock on hand quantity was. Now, you'll see that there's a lot of blanks here and that there's a whole bunch of zeros. The reason for that is over here in the dates. We only need to know about stock on hand and invoiced sales from January 2020, we got February 2023 onwards. The reason you've got the sales order quantities going further back into 2022 and 2021 is because we use that for doing our forecasts. So we base our forecasts on 3 years worth of history. Whereas if we just quickly go back to look at the chart, you can see that the chart starts in January or February 2023. And that's why the data, information, that's why the data really kicks in for January, February 2023 and stops in June, July of 2024. Again, if you look at the chart, we go further, we go into the end of 2024 and all the way into 2025. But all of this information is created by our One Business app algorithms. It'll work out your forecasts in the future. It'll also show you the targets and it will give you guide rails for your inventory. Your customer service is seen here in the past. And this is how we get all of our KPIs together. So this video was just a real quick one to show you that when you jump into the free demo, you can go to this tab here and understand where all this data is coming from. And indeed, you can go and create a very similar table based on your data, send it to us, and we'll create a custom design proof of concept of an artificial intelligence app built entirely in Power BI. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.